Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. General phrases dictation. Get ready for the dictation. Start. I thank you. I think you should be. I have the. I have had. I saw the. I see. I am. I may be. I will. I will be. You should be, you can, you will be, you may be, you were, if you were, they were, how can they, why do you, why have you, with you, when you, what you, would you, so much, with which, with each, when they, what do you, what was, what can be, it would be, it should be, it will be, it was, which were, he should be, he will be, if he were, too much, as we have, as we can, as well as, in this city, this is, as has, is as, is his, I have been, I had been, better than, carried on, their own, our own, which have, out of, dear sir, yours truly, every circumstance, all circumstances, you will remember, I believe, I will tell you, I am surprised, by all means, at all costs, in our opinion, everything, something, anything, nothing, this is, last year, at first, just now, if it is, I am not, you may not, I will not, this word, we would be, at all times, able to make, in there, I know there is, take their way, I can be there, has to be there, upon there, you will be able to, we will be able to, at the same time, at some time, for some time, this was, that was, according to the. Stop. Thank you.